created this gorgeous spring-themed bath basket with some dollar store finds, and I handmade all of the lavender and rosemary infused bath products. Keep watching to find out how easy it is to make one of these for yourself. Hi, if you're new to Artsy Cupcake, my name's Maria, and I bring you inspiration by sharing tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. And I do this in the most creative way that I can. I do fashion videos, DIYs, home decor, and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to hit subscribe so I'll show up on your YouTube feed. This video is part of the Spring DIY Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. There will be a playlist that I will link below with a bunch of other spring DIYs and decor ideas, so be sure to check that out. Spring is all about flowers blooming and relaxation in the long evenings, so we are going to get our bathtubs all decorated and bring some beautiful spring scents into these homemade bath goodies. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own body scrub, bath bombs, and bar soaps. And I'm going to show you a creative way to arrange them so that they'll make a beautiful display by your bathtub. A lot of the items came from Dollar Tree, so this is also a low-cost project that looks really elegant. For the other items, I will link everything that I can find in the description box below. And I also have a blog post up in case you want to refer back on how to make these. Let's start with what you'll need for these pretty little bar soaps. You will need a silicone soap mold, clear glycerin soap, dried flowers, and a heat-proof bowl. First, place the dried flowers in the soap mold. I used some rosemary leaves and dried lavender. I'm from Texas, so we have a lot of rosemary growing around, and I just picked this straight off of a bush. Then you will melt the clear glycerin soap in the microwave. It took about 1 minute on high power for mine to melt into a liquid. As I was pouring this into the mold, I realized I didn't have enough to make 6 soaps, so I ended up rearranging this soap I had already poured into only 2 little soap bars. It only takes about an hour for these to solidify, but I did leave mine overnight to be really sure that they were nice and hard. They came out of the mold easily, and then I tied the 2 bars together with a piece of raffia and I trimmed the edges. Next, we'll be making these beautiful floral shaped bath bombs, and for way cheaper than the ones from Lush. For these, you'll need rose shaped silicone molds, 1 cup baking soda, half a cup citric acid, half a cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup dried milk, 3 tablespoons Epsom salt, a handful of dried lavender, 4 teaspoons water, 4 teaspoons almond oil, and 15 drops of lavender oil. First, mix together the baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, milk powder, and Epsom salt. In a separate bowl, mix the water, almond oil, and lavender oil. Add the lavender and liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients, and then stir this mixture together until everything is combined. You want to be able to create a ball and have it pretty much stick together. Fill the silicone mold with the mixture and leave at least 4 hours, but I left mine overnight to make sure that they were really solid before trying to remove these. And finally, we have this yummy smelling and nourishing lavender sugar scrub. These body scrubs are so expensive to buy, so it's really nice to be able to make your own with ingredients that you probably have just sitting around your house. You could change up the ingredients and the scents to your liking, but I am going with a lavender and rosemary theme for this spa basket. So here is what you'll need for this one. 1 cup organic sugar, half a cup of almond or walnut oil, dried lavender, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. This is so easy. You just mix these few things together and you adjust the ratios based on if you like more of a dry scrub or more oil in there. I found this jar with a nice seal on it at Dollar Tree, and I put all the scrub right in there. Then I finished it off with a piece of raffia around the neck of the jar. The final step is to give all these items one place to live. I found this cute tin at the Dollar Tree, which goes perfectly with our little theme of a spa basket ready for spring. I placed a white towel in the bottom of this tin basket. I also found some pretty flowers at Dollar Tree, and I placed a few in the basket along the edges. And that was it. A beautiful spa basket you can give to somebody else or keep for yourself. It is perfect for spring and it smells so good, and it adds a touch of elegance right next to your bathtub. I'm trying to build a positive community here on Artsy Cupcake, so I would love to get to know you in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on more fun videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.